Yeah, I was hit by a storm back in 2011, which got my home, and then it left my home and my property and went to Eagle Cove Marina and sunk my houseboat. And my question is, the adjuster come out, and I'm trying to ask what kind of coverage I had on getting the boat out, and he said I was covered, but wanted somebody to identify the boat, which somebody said I can identify it because it was sunk. And anyway, they pulled the boat out and left with it and carried it to Birmingham and crushed it up for aluminum. And I never signed off on anything, and I actually wanted the boat. And then they turned around and told me that I didn't have enough coverage on the boat, and ended up kind of beating me out of about $10,000 on it. And I was wondering, is that kind of considered a conversion?
I think you asked if it's considered a conversion. If I heard, basically they converted your property, they took it or stole it is what I guess would be the common word there. That you could have a claim for that. You could have a claim. Another claim that comes to my mind is one for breach of contract. That they were supposed to pay for your boat, or in this instance, if they're not going to pay for it, don't take it. So you may have a claim for either one of those. It sounds like there are a lot of moving parts in that scenario, and especially since it happened in 2011, I would try to contact somebody quickly. And this may have been going on since 2011. You've been corresponding back and forth with them, but I'd try to get in touch with a lawyer and lay out all the facts and see if there's something they can do. But I hate this happened to you.
Yeah, and the policy is going to control this. You look at the language of the policy, but so many times an insurance company will charge you a premium for something, the full value of something, and then when it's time, when you make a claim, they go, oh, well, look, we only have to pay you 80% of it. And that may be what happened to you. So get to, as Blake said, get to a lawyer, let them look at your policy. But it could be that they have converted it, and if so, you've got a separate lawsuit in addition to the value of your boat.
And it goes back to one of the things you mentioned at the beginning, understanding your policy.
Oh, yeah.
And it's very tough to do that.
Oh, yeah.
And sometimes, even if you understand it, you can't do anything about it. But it is good to understand that policy, and hopefully you get this resolved.